We're about to harvest our eggplant this evening and get ready for the market. See, as you can see. Alright, let's start harvesting right now. Yo. The first bucket I get food. We're about to go back again. Let's dump the first one. Dump the one. Let's go in the garden. Wow, to the harvest. Dump the other one. Let's dump all. Yeah. This is to the harvest. Wow.
We're from Chukwufa. You seen it?
Yeah.
Original airplane so.
Yeah,
We're in La
organic. Organics, okay?
We're organic.
Real organics.
The one you going, we just harvest it one. It's fresh.
Yeah.
The one you go in the market, we say, oh, son, I'm beat nothing.
No,
So
no.
they're ready.
We go back to the market, we go to collect the condemned food and can mix our animal food. Yeah. To feed pig and that play. Yeah, if you not do the one, you can't get it here. Seriously. As you can see. Yeah. I brought a few bags from Kovacho today. Wow. A great harvest. Wow.
Give me
I think you're good. You're just waiting in the car there.
green pen.
Yeah, just wait. Just wait there.
No way, I put there.
I bring bag and put it between the hole. Yo, my man, see the bag full of it. Wow.
That was, you order something for?